From DailyForex, this is Chris taking a look at the West Texas Intermediate crude oil market. The West Texas Intermediate crude oil market, or the U.S. oil market, has fallen significantly during the trading session again on Monday, as it looks like we continue to see a lot of negativity out there. All things being equal, this is a market that typically is bullish this time of year, but we are starting to see traders price in the idea of a global slowdown. If that does in fact end up being the case, that is going to be a bit toxic for crude oil, as you would expect, and therefore I think you've got a situation where traders are going to continue to look at this through the prism of whether or not there is growth. That being said, I do see a certain amount of support near the $73.50 level that more likely than not should be respected. If we pull back to that area and then bounce, I think you've got a real shot at things turning around. Nonetheless, this is a market that is a bit noisy at the moment. And if you zoom out on higher time frames, you can make an argument for a massive symmetrical triangle that we are currently dealing with. Because of this, I think you've got a situation where traders look at this through the prism of whether or not we can break out of this area. I suspect there will be a little bit of a bounce sooner rather than later, but it is a short-term trade. It is not something that I think is going to change the markets anytime soon. Quite frankly, we are in a relatively quiet time of year anyway, so it wouldn't surprise me at all to see this market just continue to range-bound trade.